So what are complementary colors? Complementary colors are simply colors that are opposite each other on the color wheel. Some examples are blue and orange, or red and green, or yellow and purple. People will use a complementary color scheme when they want a particular hue to kind of be the star of the show, and the opposite complementary color will be there to offset it and make it appear even richer than it really is. Often in painting, we hear about complementary colors when we're looking for something to tone down or reduce the chroma of one color. This can get a little tricky and difficult to control when you're using very high chroma colors to take down the chroma of the one that you're looking to change. Often the difficulty comes in choosing the right complementary color. For example, blue and orange are complementary colors, so theoretically they should neutralize or turn into a gray sort of color when you mix them together. But depending on the colors that you choose, this may not be totally true. Some orange that has a lot of yellow in it, combined with a blue that's also leaning towards yellow like a turquoise, will actually make a green. If you have colors that are perfect complements and are exactly opposite each other on the color wheel, when you mix them together, you're going to come up with a neutral color. Keep in mind that colors may vary from one brand to another. So an ultramarine blue in one brand might be a little bit different than ultramarine blue in another brand, but generally here are some complementary colors that will create a neutral. Ultramarine blue and burnt sienna, phthalo turquoise and cadmium red, yellow ochre pale and ultramarine violet, and permanent green and quinacridone rose. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. Please click subscribe if you found this information useful. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time.